Good evening, class. Today we are going to start exercise 2B, question number 5th. Our question number 5th is write each of the following numbers in standard form. Once again I repeat this question. Write each of the following numbers in standard form. There is given decimal numbers and we will convert in standard form. So first of all we will convert this decimal to simple fraction. So first we will write 6 upon decimal place we will write 1. Then after the decimals we will count number of digit, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will add 40. Then we will write in power form 10,000. This 10,000 we will write in power form because of 40. That's why we will write 6 upon 10 power 4. And you already know all exponent law. If you have 1 upon a power m, so we can write a power minus m. It means negative exponent. How we convert negative exponent to upon, and upon convert to negative exponents, these already I explained you many times. So because of there you can see our 10 power 4 is in the denominator form. So when we transfer in numerator place, so it's become negative power according to this negative exponent rule. So now our standard form 6 multiplied 10 power minus 4, because our standard form, when we say any number in standard form, when the number will be in m multiplied 10 power m form, and your m value always will be 1 to 9. So you can see our m there is 6. So we can say that 6 multiplied 10 power minus 4 is in the standard form. Similarly, this questions also we will do. Decimal we will convert into fractions. Then after the decimals number of digits we will add 0. Then after, because of 11 zeros are there, that's why we will write upon 10 power is 11. And you can see there is 6.89. 6.89 multiplied by 10 power 2 upon 10 power 11. So when we shift this 10 in a numerator form, so it's become in negative power, and then again we will apply exponent law. When base same, so we will add their powers, whatever power will be negative or positive, so we will add their powers. So same here also we will apply 2 plus in bracket minus 11. When we open the bracket, so plus minus minus, and 11 minus 2, so minus 9. And 6.89 multiplied 10 power minus 9 is our standard form. Let's see our next question, question number 6. First, 1 micron is equal to 1 upon 1 lakh meter. Express it in standard form. Micron is a 1 unit for measuring. Okay, micron is 1 unit which is using in mathematics. So their values is given in upon form, and question is asking you express it in standard form. From upon form you will convert into standard form. Standard form means m multiply 10 power n, and m value 1 to 9. So first of all we will convert this fraction to in power form, exponent form. So because of there is a 6 0, that's why we will write 10 power 6. We can write 10 power 6, and by negative exponent law we will shift this 10 power 6 into numerator form, so it's become negative power. So 1 micron is equal to 1 multiplied 10 power minus 6 meter. Let's see next question. Question number 7. Write each of the following numbers in usual form. Usual form means standard form to simple form. Okay, normal form, whatever that will be decimal or whole number form, but without standard form. So first of all we will convert this decimal to fractions. So 206 upon decimal place 1, and after decimal, because of 20, that's why we insert, because of decimal there is 2 digit, that's why we will insert 20, then multiply 10 power minus 5. We can write 100 10 power 2. Then there is a negative exponent law, again we will apply when we convert negative to positive exponent, so it's become in upon form. Then again there we will apply when base same and between multiply sign, so we will add their powers. So here also base same, so we will add their powers. So 10 power 7. Then you can write in express form in power to express form 7 power, that's why 70, and because of 70, that's why we will, after the decimal we should be there 7 digits, but there is 206 only 3 digits, so we will add 40 before 206, because there is denominator 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0, so we need 7 digits after the decimal, 7 digits, and we have only 3 digits, that's why left 4 digits we will insert 0 before 203. So our usual form of this standard form is 0.0000206. I hope you understand, students.